So his blessings, we've been waiting for this announcement. They are associating with Sitara Entertainment, Mamshikaru and my dear brother Venki here. This will be my next. So, as you all been asking, after a long time, with beautiful association and beautiful talent here, we'll be doing my next travel film that will be with dear Venki, and I'll be shooting a lot. I'll be spending a lot of time here in beautiful Hyderabad. From May onwards, we start our next. We need all your love, we need all your blessings. I'm sure this will be a beautiful journey and many more in the future. At least we have started off from here. Hopefully more beautiful associations will keep happening. And May 1st, one more film is releasing, Hit 3, by another friend of mine, the dear friend Nani is releasing Hit 3. Let this success rate, success streak continue. Let it be a hat-trick after Tarivaram and Court. I really love Court. It was a beautiful film. Again, hats off to the entire team who gave a beautiful film. Let Hit 3 also be a beautiful success story for Nani. And as he said, let it be a party on May 1st. Let it be a party. Let's all celebrate both these films. And yes, next to my dear brother Vijay here. So I feel more proud of his journey. I have a lot of respect for his success stories. So somewhere we have one tree, one support in life, but brother, you don't have to feel that way. We are family now, okay? We are family, we are not alone. So I really feel very happy that he's been there with me also always, and he's always been in touch, always given his support, his love from wherever he was, and he always stayed in touch. And very sweet of him to come here today and spend this time. I enjoyed dubbing for Kingdom in Tamil, so I'm really wishing him lot of love, lot of success, lot of fame with Kingdom. Mamshikaru, you and to Gautam, let Kingdom be a beautiful success story again for you. And I always say, it's you don't lose when you fall down. You lose when you refuse to get up. When you're boxing, it's not about a defeat when you fall down. It's only you are defeated when you refuse to get up. He will bounce back big time and will give that strong punch again. May 1st will be a beautiful film for you all, which you all will cherish. We'll definitely make sure this time it will be a wonderful entertainment in the theatres. And to all my lovely brothers here and sisters here, I always believe in God's plan. God has a better plan always. And I definitely must have done something right, something good to constantly get your trust, to constantly get this love. After so many years, after so many ups and downs, to continuously get this love and this trust, definitely God has made me do something right. Thanks to Vijay again to speak about Agra Foundation. It all started with here, my experience here with Chiranjeevi Garu. I went to the blood bank, and only from Chiranjeevi Garu's blood bank I got this idea. And because of you gave me the power, you gave me the courage, you gave me all the strength to start Agra Foundation. And because of you, we have 8,000 plus first generation graduates. It's because I really don't want you to do those tattoos, but I really want each and every one of you to believe in life, love what you're doing, and be those winners in life. We all have a purpose in life, and we all have a beautiful life ahead. Just believe in life. So I just want to answer the retro question, 90s question. And thank you Stonebridge, thank you Karthik, thank you Shreyas Vidya, thank you so much for this beautiful evening. Thank you to all beautiful release happening on May 1st. Retro's scene is completely different, and that's why we say Karthik Subraj Madam. He's got a unique way of entertaining you. Did you all like the trailer? So it was amazing working with Karthik Subraj. He's a dear brother to me. And I really thank Santosh Naran Garu for the lovely music. I think after a long time we have a kind of an album hit. Shyam Garu, thank you so much for all the lovely lyrics. I really had a very good time working in this film. Shreya was a camera, and I really had after a long time I worked with Prakash Raj Garu, Nasir Garu, and Jairam sir, who always we call as a evergreen hero. So we have a wonderful star cast, Joju from a lot of actors, Sujit from the Malayalam industry. We have great casts here, and of course Pooja Hegde, who's made a song also by a lot of sincere effort from her, and I think she's promoted the film a little more than me. She's not here today with us. She's gone for another work, I guess. But this film will have a lot of intensity, as the trailer says. It's love, laughter, and war. After a long time, you'll see Karthik Subraj's version of a love story with a lot of action, with a lot of intensity. I'm really hoping this May 1st you will really enjoy this film. Hopefully, we will satisfy you this time. And coming to this morning, I met a friend from the media, and he immediately said, "Sir, you are shaking hands with a lucky person, sir. He's got a lucky hand." So. Thank you, Vamshi Garu, Sitara, and Vamshi Garu. Thank you so much for shaking hands with me with your lucky hand. So you said you'll get a lot of luck. And I have to announce this today with, I'll start with Hello Arvind Garu. So the